see you
I'm
guys.
buckled up.
Oh, where's my GPS?
Oh, no. 375 Chevron over here. Chevron with Techron.
Oh my god, I swear, dude.
What? What?
I just couldn't find my phone. It was in my bag.
You'll be alright.
Too much stuff. I hate this black bag. I don't know why I bring it. I always fall off my shoulder and it doesn't hold my shit together.
You need to get a smaller bag to put on, like my bag.
I do. I have it, but I just wanted to carry the black one. So
I can't carry all them stuff in my pockets. Both of you, so I barely can hold up my pants now.
it's only right turn only.
Yep, I go straight out.
The light.
How far are we?
Right there, a minute.
Oh, we down the street.
500 feet.